Say the word money out loud right now. And notice what happened in your stomach before you finished saying it. That small tightening just under your ribs. That half second where something in your body braced before your mind had formed any opinion at all. You did not decide to do that. You did not learn it in a classroom, and you were not born with it. Someone put it there. That is the first thing the Arcturian Council needs you to understand before anything else moves through this transmission. What you have been calling your relationship with money is not yours. It runs on your system, in your body, using your energy, but it was written by someone else, in another decade, under conditions you never lived through. And here is what will complicate the anger you are about to feel. Whoever installed it was not trying to harm you. They were trying to keep you alive in a world that no longer exists. That program did its work. It kept somebody fed. It kept somebody's children breathing through a winter you have never had to survive. And then it kept running long after the danger passed, the way old software keeps running quietly inside a machine that has been upgraded 100 times since. You are not looking at a flaw in your frequency today. You are looking at foreign code. Let your shoulders drop, because the next 30 minutes are not about learning something new. They are about uninstalling something old. The Council does not open a transmission like this on a schedule. They open it when a field reaches the point where the inherited overlay has become visible to the one carrying it, because code cannot be revoked while it is still being mistaken for identity. That is where you are standing right now. Something in you has already started to suspect that the fear is not personal, that the panic when a number is lower than expected does not match the size of the actual threat, that the tightening arrives too fast to be a thought, that suspicion is the threshold, and you crossed it before you pressed play on this transmission. There is a wider reason this is arriving now. Earth is moving through a phase where the density that once kept inherited encoding stable has thinned. Programs that used to sit undetected in the lower layers of the field are surfacing, becoming loud, becoming almost unbearable to live with. Many are experiencing this as a worsening of their money fear. It is not worsening. It is becoming visible. What was silent background is now foreground, and what is foreground can finally be examined, named, and removed. This is a window, not a symptom. Today, the Council is addressing something they call an inherited authorship pattern. In plain language, a scarcity broadcast written by an ancestor, encoded through your lineage, and stored in your causal body, the layer that holds soul blueprint alongside the contracts and residues carried forward from those who came before you. That pattern has been running on borrowed permission for your entire adult life. It has been deciding what you consider possible, what you allow yourself to ask for, what you dismiss before you finish reading it. You have felt it in the reflex to say no before you have even checked. That reflex is not caution, and it is not wisdom, and it is certainly not humility. It is authorship, and the author is not you. Here is how the program announces itself in an ordinary day. Check each one against your body, not your memory. First, the tightening. An amount appears, and something in your abdomen contracts before you have read a single digit. Second, the immediate assignment. Money arrives, and within minutes, it already has a destination, as though it is not allowed to simply sit there without a job. Third, the deflection. Someone acknowledges what you earn or what you built, and you hear yourself shrinking it before they have finished the sentence. Fourth, the preemptive no. An opportunity appears, and you find the reason it is not for you faster than you can finish considering it. 4 behaviors, 1 author. They are not 4 separate weaknesses to work on individually. They are 4 outputs of a single line of inherited code, which is why addressing them one at a time never held. Now I want to take you to where it was written. A kitchen, some evening decades ago. A child at a table, an adult saying, "We cannot afford that." The sentence itself was harmless and true and probably kind. But the field of that child did not record the sentence. It recorded the tone underneath it, the jaw that tightened, the eyes that went somewhere else. The length of the silence afterward. That is what got written. Not a belief about money, a state. 30 years later, an adult body still reproduces that exact half second whenever money appears, not because you believe anything about scarcity, but because your system learned the state before it had language to argue with it. This is the deeper turn. You have been trying to change a belief. What is running is a state. A state does not respond to being argued with, which is why the affirmations you spoke over it were sincere and still did not hold. That is not a failure. You were working with the right intention, one layer above where the code was written. And I want to honor what you have already done. The mindset work, the journaling, the practical support you have used, all of it built the awareness that lets you hear this at all. This is not a correction of that work. It is a different depth, working alongside it. If something just landed in your chest, that specific mixture of recognition and grief that arrives when you realize the fear you thought was your personality was borrowed, go to the comments and type 520. Nothing more. 520 is the code of soul-level abundance alignment, the signature of a karmic money loop closing at its origin rather than its symptom. Every soul who types it marks the moment they stopped identifying with the program. Type it, then come back here. And understand this before we go further. Recognition opens the field, but recognition alone does not hold it. A program written through repetition uninstalls through repetition, through daily contact, through the plain act of writing down what surfaces so the field can see its own material from the outside. If you are sitting with the question of how you remove something you never chose to install, the Arcturian way to get rich was built for exactly that continuation. It works with the inherited static that entered your field as a state rather than a belief, and it gives you the daily clearing practice, the retuning sequences, and the written prompts that reach the layer affirmations were never designed to touch. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Your purchase also supports Arcturian wealth frequency and helps these transmissions continue reaching the people who need them. Now let me show you what the council means by installation, because the word is not poetic, it is structural. Every field broadcasts. Yours is broadcasting right now, whether or not you are thinking about money. The broadcast is not made of your intentions. It is made of your dominant state, the configuration your system defaults to when nothing is demanding your attention. And your dominant state around resource was set long before you had any say in it. Here is the mechanism. Somewhere in your line, there was a period of genuine deprivation. War, or famine, or collapse, or a migration where everything was left behind. Their systems adapted correctly, their stress regulation recalibrated toward constant scanning. And what the field of epigenetics has now demonstrated is that these adaptations do not stay with the generation that made them. Changes in how genes express under sustained survival pressure are carried forward, arriving in descendants who never experienced the original threat. You inherited a stress response calibrated for a famine you have never seen. Your body has been running emergency protocols in a life that contains no emergency. That inheritance did not arrive as an idea, it arrived as a setting. And a setting installed in the nervous system runs faster than thought, which is why the tightening always precedes your reasonable adult understanding of your actual financial situation. The loop fires, completes, and resolves before your conscious mind has been informed a decision was made. Now the second half of the mechanism, and this is the part that determines what your life looks like. At the base of your brain sits the reticular activating system, the filter that decides which fraction of the available information reaches your awareness. Millions of signals arrive, a tiny number are permitted through. And the filter does not select according to what you want, it selects according to what your system currently treats as relevant, which means it selects according to your dominant broadcast. Consider what that means when the dominant broadcast belongs to someone else. Opportunities are appearing in your field, conversations that could open something, offers that would fit you precisely, doors standing slightly open, and your filter, obeying an authorship that predates your birth, marks them as not applicable to this system and removes them before you consciously perceive them. You are not missing opportunities through bad luck or poor timing. You are being shown an edited version of reality, edited according to instructions that were written for someone else's survival. This is why the Council does not call this healing. They call it revocation. Nothing about your original field was damaged. The receiving aperture you were born with, the one your soul designed before it entered this lineage, was never overwritten. It was overwritten on top of, layered over, masked by a broadcast running at a louder volume with permissions it was granted by a child who could not have known what was being agreed to. And permissions granted can be withdrawn, not through willpower and not through fighting the program, because a program that is fought is a program that is fed. Through something quieter, through the act of locating the code, seeing whose signature is on it, and formally declining to continue authorizing its operation in your field. That is what the Council is here to conduct with you, and the sequence begins now. Let your eyes close, or let them soften until the screen becomes light rather than image, and let your breath slow without managing it. Bring your attention to the base of your body, where you meet the surface holding you. Feel the weight there. Let it be more weight than you usually allow yourself to give. If you have black tourmaline near you, hold it in your left hand or set it beside your foot, and let it do what it does, which is to hold the floor steady while something is removed from the room above it. Now move your awareness up to the space between your navel and your ribs, your solar plexus, the place that tightened when you said the word at the beginning of this transmission. Do not try to relax it, simply arrive there and let it be seen. Somewhere in that space there is a small structure that does not belong to you. Do not search for it visually. Let it announce itself the way a sound announces itself in a quiet house. It may register as density. It may register as a small heart point. It may be nothing more than a direction your attention keeps sliding toward. Whatever form it takes, you have located it. Now, without opening your eyes, ask the field a single question. Whose is this? Do not answer with your mind. Let the answer arrive as an impression. A face, a room, a voice, a time of day, a texture of silence, whatever comes is correct. And if nothing comes, the sense that it is older than you is enough. Stay with what arrived, and now, quietly, offer it this. I see what you are carrying. I see what you survived. I see why you built this. Feel how the structure responds to being recognized rather than resisted. Now, the revocation. Silently, inside your own field, speak this. The permission granted by the child at that table is withdrawn. This code no longer runs on my system. What kept you alive is complete, and I am releasing it from duty. Let there be a pause after that. Do not rush the pause. Let the field register the withdrawal the way a house registers a door finally closing somewhere in it. Something may move now. A sudden depth in the breath, a loosening behind the sternum, where the gateway between your lower centers and your upper centers has been holding this closed for a very long time. Heat rising through the abdomen. Or something subtler, a strange spaciousness where a low hum used to be. Whatever moves, let it move without direction. The Arcturian Council is working in this layer with you now, lifting the overlay away from the receiving aperture beneath it, not repairing that aperture, it was never broken, only uncovering it. And now feel underneath. Beneath where the structure was, there is something that has been running this entire time at a volume you could not hear over the static. Your own signal. The frequency your soul was carrying before it entered this lineage. Steady, unhurried, entirely unafraid of resource. If you have citrine with you, place it over your solar plexus now. and let your original frequency use it as a tuning reference while it rises back to its full volume. Breathe into that space. Let your abdomen expand with the breath rather than bracing against it. And notice, in this exact moment, that when you think the word money now, there's a different quality in your body than there was when this transmission began. Softer, slower, almost neutral. That neutrality is not indifference. That is what your field feels like without someone else's furniture in the room. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Let the space remain empty. Let it be yours. Come back slowly. Let your hands move. Let your eyes open into the room. What just happened in your field was not a visualization exercise. Something was located, addressed, and released from duty. And the space where it was sitting is now empty. Sit with that emptiness for a moment before you fill it with anything. Because a room feels strange for a while after the furniture has been carried out. And strange is not the same as wrong. The next 72 hours matter. Your field is completing the separation during that period, and there are a few simple things that support it. Drink more water than feels necessary, because the body clears at a physical level what the field releases at an energetic one. Sleep without apology, and let whatever surfaces in your dreams surface, especially if faces from your lineage appear. And this one is important. In the next 3 days, when money is mentioned or appears in any form, do not perform calmness. Just notice what your body does. You are not testing yourself. You are reading the instrument. If you continue with the written practice after this, let it be an anchor rather than a pressure. A few honest lines each day will hold the separation better than a perfect page written once. Now say this inwardly, and let each line settle before the next one arrives. The fear I carried was borrowed, and I have returned it. My field broadcasts my own signal now. I am not the one who wrote the scarcity, and I am the one who ends it. Receiving is not a risk to my system. There is one more thing I want to ask of you, and it belongs to all of us rather than to me. Go to the comments and write the exact phrase about money you heard most often as a child. 1 line. No explanation, no story, no defending the people who said it. Just the sentence as it was spoken in that room. When those lines gather together in one place, something becomes visible that no single person can see alone, which is how small the collection of programs actually is, and how many separate lives have been quietly running the same handful of borrowed instructions. Seeing them side by side loosens them further. Write yours, then read a few others. What shifted today was not your capacity to earn. It was the question of who has been holding the controls. The overlay that was reading every appearance of money as a threat has been separated from your native signal. And over the coming 3 days, you will feel that separation as a lag, a small delay where the old tightening used to be instant. Do not mistake that delay for numbness. That is a program running without permission and finding nothing to run on. Let it fade at its own pace. There is a next layer, and the Council has already named it. The filter itself has to be addressed directly, because your brain has spent decades deleting money opportunities before you consciously saw them. And that editing does not stop the moment the authorship changes. That transmission is being prepared. It is not here yet, but this one was its prerequisite. What is available right now belongs to this exact moment in your field. A field that has just stopped repelling money meets the second question quickly. What happens when it arrives and cannot be held? Money that slips away within days. The account that refills and empties in the same rhythm no matter what changes around it. That transmission is on your screen now, and your field will not stay this open once ordinary density closes back over you. Do not return to the scroll. Move into it while the aperture is still uncovered. It is waiting for the version of you that just revoked something.